Hello and welcome to the Ramalama channel. Today I'll be covering question 29 from the January 2016 Geometry Regents. So the question reads as follows. The sides of a triangle measure 7, 4, and 9. If the longest side of a similar triangle measures 36, determine and state the length of the shortest side of this triangle. Okay, so I went ahead and drew out two similar triangles based on the description that we were given in the problem. Okay, so we were given sides 4, 7, and 9, and it said the longest side of a similar triangle is 36. So I'm making sure that when I draw my two diagrams, I have corresponding sides. So 9 and 36 are going to represent the longest sides. That means this side is going to represent the shortest side. You can put letterings around the vertices to help you out with that, but I'm going to choose to leave mine blank for right now. So I wrote strategy 1 and strategy 2 because there are pretty much two ways of going about this. They're pretty much going to start off similarly, but they're going to end going through the strategies are going to be a bit different. So let's see, if we are looking for this missing side and we're given that these two triangles are similar, that means there's going to be a scale factor that all sides are going to be multiplied by to get from this smaller image, this smaller figure to this larger figure. Okay, so let's see. I know 9 and 36 are corresponding sides, so I'm going to set up a proportion here. Right? This is a nice thing about similar figures. You can always set up proportions to compare the sides. So I know in my small triangle I have 4 to 9, and in my larger triangle I have x to 36. Okay, and I'm also going to set it up similarly here because, as I mentioned before, they're starting off the same way, but the method progressing through is going to be a bit different. Now for strategy 1, you could pretty much think about it. Okay, to get from 9 to 36, I need to multiply by something to give me that product, right, that end value. So what times 9 gives us 36? Well, that's going to be 4. 9 times 4 gives us 36. That means we're going to use the same scale factor, which is what this 4 is. It's our scale factor. And multiply that with 4. 4 times 4 is going to give us 16. That means x equals 16. Now, if we went about it for strategy 2, here I know a lot of our young mathematicians are familiar with cross multiplication. So if we do that, we're going to get 4 times 36. Right? We're going to get 4 times 36 equals 9 times x. 4 times 36 is 144 equals 9x. Now here we have a nice simple linear equation. What number times 9 gives us 144? We can do inverse operations here, and we get 144 divided by 9. That's going to give us 16. Alright, so we see that both answers work out to be the same value. So let's see, determine and state the length of the short side of this triangle. We can just write up here the shortest side of the similar triangle is 16. And we're done. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Subscribe and like. Thank you.